In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert signature in Microsoft Word from paper to Word document. We'll take a handwritten signature on paper and place it neatly into your Word document with simple formatting so it looks clean and professional. First, get your signature from paper onto your computer. The exact transfer method doesn't matter, as long as the image ends up saved on your device. You can snap a clear photo with your phone, then send it to yourself through email or upload it to Google Drive or any cloud storage you can access. A quick tip here: lay the paper on a flat surface, use good lighting, and try to capture it on a plain white background to make editing easier. Save the image as a common file type like JPG or PNG, so Word can recognize it without issues. Once the image is on your computer, open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, then select this device. Browse to your signature image, select it, and insert it into the document. Your signature will appear as a picture you can work with. Next, click the small layout options icon that appears near the top right of the image. This lets you control how the picture interacts with text. Choose behind text if you want to place the signature beneath existing text, or choose in front of text if you want to freely move it above the text. Now drag the signature to the exact spot you want. If it feels too big or small, you can adjust it. Double-click the signature to open picture format, then click Crop on the right side of the ribbon. Use the black handles to trim extra blank space around the signature so it looks tighter and more intentional. When you're done, click outside the image to apply the crop. To improve the look, especially if your photo has uneven lighting, go to the color option on the left side of the picture format ribbon. Select black and white 75% to give the signature a clean, ink-like appearance. If that doesn't quite match your document, open color again and experiment with different color tone and saturation options until the signature blends naturally with your page. That's it. You've brought a paper signature into Microsoft Word, positioned it exactly where you want it, cropped away the excess, and adjusted the color for a polished finish. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.